Most people who try to make money online fail. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart enough, but because they're focused on the wrong thing. They spend their time promoting cheap products, making $5 to $20 commissions, and wondering why they're stuck. If you want real results, if you want to make $500 to $1,000 per sale, you need a smarter strategy. It's called high-ticket affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You don't create your own product. You don't build a website from scratch. You don't even need to be good at selling. You find a proven, existing product, already created, already tested, and you promote it using a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. It's that simple. Now here's the secret most beginners miss. You don't need to do the selling yourself. Most high-ticket affiliate programs come with pre-built sales systems. Webinars, landing pages, automated emails, all designed to do the hard work for you. Your job? Just drive people to the front door. That brings us to the most important part of this entire strategy, collecting leads. If you're not building an email list, you're building someone else's business, not yours. With just 3,000 email subscribers, a single email could earn you $5,000 or more. And you don't need ads, followers, or to show your face. One faceless Instagram page. One system running in the background. And you can be collecting leads and commissions 24/7. Here's what separates winners from everyone else. They pick one business, one product, and one traffic source, and they stick with it for 90 days. They don't bounce around. They build. And because of that, they win. Now, if you want to see exactly how this system works, step by step, click the link in the description. This isn't theory. It's a strategy that works, but only if you take action. Click the link now